Good evening. At approximately 8:37, an EF4 tornado developed and hit the center of Moore, Oklahoma, causing damage to homes, cars, two of our schools, and our main medical facility. There are many people left injured and 70 confirmed lives lost during this storm. We are receiving reports of people that are trapped in the rubble in certain parts of the city, and we are overwhelmed with the amount of destruction left behind from this devastating storm. Moore, Oklahoma has been declared a major disaster area by the President, which will allow us to receive federal aid, which will help to support the state cleanup efforts along with local cleanup efforts for the mess that has been left behind. Members from FEMA and NIMS will be on site during the cleanup efforts to provide guidance and leadership during this difficult time. They will be directing preparedness efforts in order to work with local rescue agencies in an effort to mitigate the effects of the tornado, handle the communications and the information so that we can make decisions and keep you, the public, informed. They will also provide us with resource management so that we can tend to those that need help and supplies, as well as coordinate with volunteer efforts and collect donations. In addition, they will serve as command and management in conjunction with our local authorities and provide ongoing management and maintenance to try and restore order and provide effectiveness to our cleanup efforts. Oklahoma is no stranger to tornadic weather, and there are some things that you can do to help when there is a threat of bad weather. You will want to keep close to a radio or a television set to get updates on weather conditions, and in the event of a tornado warning, take immediate shelter in a safe place. Have an emergency plan in place for you and your family, and practice your plan in the event a disaster strikes so you are prepared and know what to do. It is a good idea to prepare to administer basic first aid, have a first aid kit available, and help take care of those nearby that you may know that have special needs. A tornado will hit fast and sometimes without warning, so it is best to take cover ahead of time if possible. If you are in a mobile home, on the road, or outdoors when a tornado strikes, get to a safe structure immediately if possible, as these are not safe places to be during a tornado. After the tornado has ended, we ask that you please be careful in any rescue attempts, as you could cause further injury to those you are intending to help. Studies show that 50% of injuries from a tornado occur during the rescue efforts due to people being under debris and not visible to those trying to rescue them. There is also the risk of injury due to fallen power lines or gas leaks, and also the possibility of mold growing in buildings due to excess moisture. We ask that if you do come across someone that is seriously injured, do not make attempts to move them, but to seek emergency assistance unless you have been properly trained in emergency first aid and CPR. If you are able to help and want to volunteer, we would ask that you check in with one of the volunteer coordinators to see where your help is needed, so we are best attending to everyone's needs and keeping everyone from further injury. Thank you.